Company amagi ek amasung rulgi matung inna Manipur leingakna Manipur Home Guard khaktagi oiba tonganba Commandant General thambiyu haina Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association ki President Mangi Singh na phongdok khre wafam ase handak Home Guard Welfare Scheme members kontramathoi retired chatkibada Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association amadi Home Guard Welfare Scheme Committee ki makhada retired chatkraba member kontramathoi bu ikai khumnaba utpa oina member amamamda lakh amamam piduna ikai khumnabagi thauramda phongdokhibani thauramada Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association ki President Mangi Singh na Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association ki Vice President S Prabhavat Manipur Home Guard Employee Welfare Association ki Vice President P Chandra Kumar Manipur Home Guard 1st Battalion ki Mohammad Wahid Manipur Home Guard 2nd Battalion ki Mohammad Matleb Manipur Home Guard 3rd Battalion ki Y Desmala Manipur Home Guard 4th Battalion ki MD Abdul Salam Manipur Home Guard Kakching 5th Battalion ki MD Yakab Ali amadi Battalion asidagi TH Dizen Maiteina athoiba mitunglen oina sarukyaki mahana makha taraduna Manipur leingakna Manipur Home Guard singbu DA hengataba ration money pidaba promotion gi leingak employees singda piriba khudongchaba kaya pidaba si matam kaya gi mamangdagi Manipur leingakta pinaba demand tawkhrabasu Hauzik fauba pide haina phongdokhi
Sarkar yoiba pension ki system lettaba pension punjadaba kothar matamda tongan benefit amta punjadaba kabu adubu Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association na yamna kadi tawga samai tawga koi chaba kitang pension phangno matamda koi ki supervision tawga matamda natraga koi thawga ke dai matamda makoi de mati kitang pa koi ngamagadi haina khallaga yam hang so koi bona jaduna Battalion Commander Singh amadi Association ni office bearer Singh akoina otuna tamna hanna khanadaba matungda masigi makada association ni makada scheme committee haiba maka welfare scheme committee nam semaga makoi bu thau laga koi nu thabaga si pangkor ban ngasi bi ba se yam samna di ba yam da ba chamba function di ba adubu Home Guard partner sing phangjari ba amadi P-Nanawa area sorry association of scheme committee di yamna marui maramdi karino masi pulli ba thongna lungjen pulli basina atui hanje khangangi haidana Manipur Sarkar ki Home Guard pai ba IPS officer wi ba assistant director general of police Dr. I.K. ba amasung Manipur Home Guard ki commandant ye wi ba numpung kasar ani se ai aton tawjabani